This is the Keychron Q2, a gasket-mounted 65% keyboard. The question that a lot of people have coming into the hobby is, what is the best budget keyboard that is in stock and sounds good? So we're here today to see if this keyboard lives up to that. To summarize the specs, the Q2 in its bare bones knob kit comes out to be $169 USD. It's a gasket-mounted 65% keyboard with a full aluminum case, a hot swappable PCB, meaning that you can change out your switches as you please, and is compatible with both Windows and Mac. It comes with a pretty standard braided USB cable, but it comes with both C-to-C as well as A-to-C connections. It also comes with extra gaskets, screws, and feet, and every tool you need to build your board. The included stabs are Keychron's new screw and stabilizers, which I found to be just okay. You're definitely better off with direct V2s, but for stock stabilizers, I don't think they're completely terrible. They do have a little bit of rattle, but that can be easily fixed. However, I do wish that they were matched to the color of the case or just came in black or clear. A feature on the Q2 includes a rotary knob on the right-hand corner, which you can use to adjust your volume, brightness, or program to your liking. It highly resembles that of the GMMK Pro, but that being said, the Q2 is QMK and VIA compatible, so if you want to remap any of the keys or adjust the RGB, it's super easy. It utilizes a double gasket design, which allows for a lot of flexibility in the board, which I personally love, and also includes silicone pads between the top and bottom cases, and a decent case foam, which reduces the case ping found in its predecessor, the Q1. My main gripes about this board are the finish, which may only be with the specific color I received. I'm not the biggest fan of how it looks kind of sparkly or glittery, and the stabilizers I think could use a little bit of work, but it's nothing dielectric beast can't fix. Overall, I'm pretty impressed by the Q2, especially in comparison to the Q1. I think Keychron has made some really amazing changes, especially with case ping and sound resonance. On a final note, I think that budget keyboards are improving by leaps and bounds, and I definitely recommend this keyboard to incoming hobbyists. To end things off, here's a scuffed sound test with lubed choppable switches. Thanks for tuning in to my first ever YouTube video.